What's going on? What's happening with you beautiful people? What's going on with you all?
Hey everybody.
If you don't know me by now, if you don't know her by now, we are the co-founders of Rise Business Solutions. I'm Moses Adesimilolu.
This is LaShawn Adesimilolu.
And what do we do at Rise Business Solutions? We help motivated, inspired, enthusiastic, well-driven individuals to level up to the next level in starting a tax business. Yes. We're excited today because we're coming with 3 marketing strategies. At the end of this video, look, you will be somebody who understands marketing strategies.
That's right.
At this end of the video, if you implement this in your video, I want you to do a testimonial because you will see how this will really get your business to the next level. Look, we are excited today because of this great value that we're about to give to you. And we're going to get right into that.
Yes, guys. So this is 3 out-of-the-box strategies. Stick around to the end because I promise you, you're going to be an elite taxpreneur after this.
Yes.
So our first strategy comes today because we should always be adding to our email list, right? Our email list is money. It shows us how many contacts we have, how many people we can sell our tax services to, right? So we should always be thinking of ways to generate more email addresses. And so one of the things that we implement in our business to get more contacts is to do lunch and learns. Now, have you ever heard of a lunch and learn? If you have, drop me a crown emoji in the comments right now. If you haven't, drop me a smiley face emotion because it's all right, you're about to learn today.
Yeah.
So a lunch and learn is essentially where you're going to provide some type of knowledge. You're going to teach something to people during the lunch hour. And the purpose of this is to attract people who are working a 9 to 5, and generally they have an hour lunch break and they're looking for something to do. So you say, hey, I'm doing a lunch and learn on 5 ways to save more money on your taxes, or some type of benefit to them, something that's going to be worth them watching. So you're going to do a webinar. You're going to set a date. Maybe you'll say next week, Wednesday, I'm doing a lunch and learn at 12 o'clock. And you need to sign up in order to get access to this. Why do we want them to sign up? Because we want to get their email address, right?
Exactly.
And so you want to have some type of way you can collect their email address. And then on that date, you send them a link to check out the content. So there's a number of ways you can do this. You can do a Facebook Live, and maybe you have a Google form or survey where you take their email addresses and email them. You can have an email marketing system. That's what we use in our business, ConvertKit. And we will put the link in the comments if you want to test it out. It's just a way you can send mass emails to all your contacts about different things, tax tips, lunch and learns, what have you. All right. But again, the purpose of this is to share useful information and then to get their contacts. And keep this in mind. At the end of the lunch and learn, you want to have an upsell, a call to action. Maybe work with me. I'm offering $100 off if you do it today. Always have a call to action with a deadline at the end. Guys, please do not sleep on this marketing strategy. It has helped us to generate hundreds of tax clients in our business, and it can help you do the same thing.
Yes, guys. This marketing strategy is a beautiful one because, first of all, when you are giving value to an individual, they are already ready to listen to what you have to say.
Right.
And then when you do something like this, at the end of it, when you are actually selling something, the right person automatically is just going to be like, you know what? I'm ready to buy your service. I'm ready to go for what you're selling because I've heard what you're saying. I like what I've heard. I know you now. I like you. And I feel like I trust you. Sure, let's do business together. This is a great marketing strategy that one can use to really get you to the next level. A quick story about that. When we first started this marketing strategy, and we actually met an individual that we didn't really even know, and this person was really right there just listening to us, just watching our videos, Go and following us on YouTube. When we had the lunch and learn, this individual was just right there. I'm not gonna say no names right now. I don't want to call nobody out. But at the same time, when we actually had an upsell at the end of it, when we say, we want to bring you into a mastermind to where you could really grow your business and scale your business. Now, the mastermind is not cheap. We're gonna talk about it at the end of this. This is just for the story.
Right.
This lady was really engraved into it that she was like, I know I could grow my business. I know that you guys can help me. I see your videos. I know that you guys could do this for me. Yeah. And now this lady is growing a great tax business.
That's right, guys.
I mean, it's a beautiful thing.
That's the power of the Lunch and Learn, guys. This is something that you might not hear about, but it's definitely beneficial. And just like when you think about your topic, you want to provide so much value. Don't worry about, I'm giving too much away. What are they going to need me for? Provide so much value, because then people see you as an expert. Like, even though they have the knowledge, they're not going to want to do it. So trust me, they will still come to you. So go above and beyond what people expect, right?
Yes. Just go above and beyond. So now the next marketing strategy right now is going to your local libraries. We're talking out of the box here. This marketing strategies, this is out of the box. This is things that work. These are things that a lot of people are doing in their life, in their business, and it's working. We are doing it and it's working for us. Go to your local libraries. Like, you don't understand how much people that are going to the library who are looking for your service, but they don't know where to go. But they come to your seminar at the library, your free seminar. So what you do is you go to the library, and then you go to adult services. When you get to the adult services, the ladies already right there. You said, look, I'm here to give a free seminar at your location. Is there a way that you could do that for me? And what they would ask you, first of all, is, are you trying to sell? Because the libraries is a nonprofit. They don't want you coming in there selling things. It's not about selling.
No.
You don't want to sell nobody nothing. You don't want to sell. That's the beautiful thing. You don't want to sell nobody nothing. You go to the library, go to the adult services, and you just tell them that, look, I have 3 topics that I want to talk about. We are speaking of financial literacy. We are speaking about being a tax preparer, financial literacy in the entrepreneurial field. So that's what we talk about when we go and speak to the library. You might have different things that you want to talk about. But you have 3 topics that you could just give them, and they give you an advance notice that, okay, or you give them an advance notice when it could work for you, when you guys could work together. By doing this, you're already putting yourself out there. You're getting yourself out of your comfort zone. First of all, you're about to do a free seminar to the public, to where you are actually at the public. Now you're about to expose your business for free at the public, and you are actually going to be sharing something about your business for free.
Yes.
Everybody loves free 99.
That's right. So when you go to the library, I know the hardest part is really thinking about the topics, right? Like, what do I talk about? What can I share with people? We always say start with a number. People like numbers, our list. 3 things that, 3 tax tips for moms. 5 ways to avoid an IRS audit. 10 things that you can do to increase or decrease your taxable income. There are a number of things that you can do. So just get creative with it, right? But like we said before, the more value you provide, the higher your chances of converting your audience at the end. Yes. So always keep that in mind. What I really love about the library is that not only do you have the opportunity to promote it to your audience, they're going to be impressed because, wow, you are actually in a community doing workshops, right? You look better as a tax professional. And then the library is also promoting you too. So they're going to have it in their email newsletters or on their flyers, posted in the library that, hey, Sheila, the tax professional, will be coming in to do this seminar. So it's going to make you look good all around. So we really like this, serving the community, getting our name and our brand out there. This is one of my very favorite marketing strategies to help you really level up your business.
Yes, like this is a great one because first of all, you are actually impacting your community in a great way. Like people will look up to you. Businesses around the way will want to do business with you. Individuals will want to do business with you because you are right there in the community making a great impact.
Right.
Now we're going to get into the third strategy. You can go ahead and start with that.
Yeah, and let us know, guys, are you liking this so far? We really hope you are. If you are, drop us some hearts in the comments right now. Let us know that this is valuable to you.
Please let
This
us
is
know.
something that we had to find out on our own, hitting the pavement. So we really wanted to share this and help you guys level up, right?
Yeah.
So number 3 is speaking on radio stations. Now, guys, did you know this was a thing? You probably thought that in order to go to a radio station and promote your business, you had to pay. But we're going to share with you a way that you can do this for free 99, right? Which is our favorite way to market. You can actually reach out directly to colleges. Most colleges have their own radio station. You can reach out to the college and you can say, get to the department with the radio and tell them, hey, I'm a tax professional. I would like to share some tips and knowledge with your audience. Or, I might have a new service coming out, a new product, whatever. You can share that with their audience and they're happy to let you do these things. Because guess what? They want more content for their audience.
Mm-hmm. Yes, they do want more content. So you already going out here and talking about you offer this. You already getting yourself out of the comfort zone. And at the college, school, even though they're in college, some college students are already business owners.
Right.
Some college students are influenced with business owners. Mm-hmm. Everybody got to file taxes.
Everybody's
Even college
a taxpayer,
students
right?
got to file taxes.
That's right.
So this is like an easy way for you to market, like all this kind of marketing things. You don't have to spend thousands of monies on flyers. You don't have to worry about paying marketing teams, and you don't have to think so hard about this.
Right.
You don't have to really work too much stress. You just have to really do it. You just have to go for it.
That's right.
This speaking at the radio, I did something like this to where I went on somebody's podcast.
Right.
And they just invited me, and I was like, yeah, sure, I will do it. And I went on there and I told them about what I did, about how I help people to start a tax business and how I help people to grow their tax businesses. And, somebody actually called in and they was like, hey, that's Mr. that was talking. He was giving so much value. How can I work with him? Right. And I was just like, I didn't even expect it. I was just like, look, I just wanted to just give it to you for free.
Right.
I wasn't even expecting to get a client.
Right.
But it just happened like that because I was just giving the value and I made it fun, high energy. We were just having fun. And then, the person just called like, look, if you're saying that you help somebody, to make thousands of dollars, how can you help
Count
me?
me in, right?
Just
it's all
stuff
about
like
the
that.
level up.
They say, this strategies are great strategies that will get you out of the box.
Right.
You got to think outside the box.
Right.
And then once you get outside the box, then you are unlimited.
Guys, this was 3 effective, powerful insider secrets, marketing strategies to help you propel your business. We hope you enjoyed this. If you want to work with us, guys, if you like the content that we've been sharing and you feel like it would be a good fit to work with us, we would love to help you guys. We have 3 different ways that you can work with us. So number 1, let's say you are a tax preparer or you're an aspiring tax preparer and you want to get in the field, but you want to do it under the right mentorship and you know that we're the right people to help you, we invite you guys to book a call with us. We can get you set up with our tax course. Our tax training is coming next month. We have a supportive community in which we'll train you how to be an effective tax preparer. You're going to work with us. You're going to get the software. You're going to get the mentorship. You're going to get the guidance, right? So make sure you book a consultation if that is you.
Yes. And also if you were just looking to just work with us and you say, okay, you know what, I've been filing taxes and I just need somebody to just mentor me while I'm running my tax business, we offer that as well. It's also another option to where we will mentor you into your tax business. You just have to pay us a fee, and we will do that like that.
Yeah.
Also, if you have this tax business already, it's running, and you like, man, I just want to scale it. I want to get it to the next level. I'm trying to move forward. I'm trying to automate my business. We also have that. That's the mastermind program that I'm talking about. It's called a TAM. It's not cheap, but it's definitely for a business owner. It's definitely for an entrepreneur mindset, somebody that knows for a fact that they could make that money quadruple just by using the knowledge, just by implementing these steps. Because we have some great steps that we implemented that. But if you are interested in that, just feel free to just give us a call. You could book a consultation. The link will be right there in the comments. Or you guys just click the link. Now we're going to recap again before that about the marketing strategies that we were talking about today. The first one is
to do a lunch and learn where you share a topic and teach to people in an effort to grow your email list.
And the second one is
go to your library and request to do a free seminar, something that is going to bring value and teach to the community. And it's just going to up level. It's going to increase your recognition in the community. People will know you, like you, and trust you.
Yeah. And the third but not the least,
reach out to colleges, podcasts, and local people that are building audiences in your community and request to be on their show, right? It's going to be fun for you. It's going to be fun for them. And then if you're lucky, like Moses, you'll get somebody to call and really want to work with you, right?
Hey.
Just be sure to have fun. Show your personality. Don't be worried about being perfect. Nobody wants perfect. They just want another human to talk to.
That's it.
So
get out of your comfort zone.
Get out of your comfort zone and level up, level up, level up. We really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, let us know. Be sure to like and share this video. Like and share our page. If you want to book a consultation, the information is in the comments below. Got anything else, Ron Ben?
Look, all I just got to say is, look, we believe in you, but you got to believe in yourself.
That's right.
Go out there and be great.
Until next time, guys. Peace and much, much love.
Yeah.